start a transmission rebuild on my 69 Lotus Elan. Woo, let's get started. So this is going to be part 12, my Lotus Elan. It's going to be disassembly of the transmission and assess what I need. And then I'll order the parts, get stuff coming later. So let's get started. I'm going to start with pulling reverse switch off, trans mount, my slave cylinder, and everything else for the clutch. That may still be in there, and then we'll start tearing it apart. So everything inside looks pretty good. So I think this might just end up being a nice and easy reseal. So yeah, I think this thing's pretty solid. Input seal, output seal, case seals, then top cover and shift tower gasket, and I think this should be good. Clean out all the shmoo and just check all the synchros real good. And yeah. Didn't think about that. since detents fell. There's one detent. Alright, so last night I got the transmission down this far. So I have to pull the bell housing off and get to the front bearing retainer in there and measure the seal. They had 3 different size seals. Once I get that off, I'll go over that. And then, so yeah, it's kind of a pain because you need to have everything disassembled before you know that seal. So if you're trying to do this at a time, you might have to just order 3 seals and hope for the best, or maybe somebody has a chart out there to tell you what production has what seal. But for my instance, I'm already here, so I might as well pull that off and check it out. All right, now with the 4 bolts out, this should come out reasonably well. There we are. Enjoy. Hopefully the ultrasonic cleaner isn't too ridiculously loud right now. Must be the next to go in. Bearing retainer. So there's the seal, which mine is absolutely rock hard, so I don't know why there's a lot of gear lube and bell housing. See, it's even cracked right there. Fun. Alright, so here are the 3 different seal sizes. I have mine circled down below. So you have 1 inch and 5/8 by 7/8, 1 inch and 3/8 by 7/8, or 1 inch and 5/8 by 1 inch and 1/16. So what that is this seal in here. You're looking at the diameter between where it presses in, this side to this side, and then your shaft size. Alright, so that seal on the front bearing support took a beating coming out. It's kind of difficult to get out. I would use the smallest chisel you have and lightly work your way underneath the seal. As you can see, the rubber portion of mine has absolutely disintegrated. That's not sealing anything. So I'm gonna get a new one of them. Gonna get an old gasket kit. Look this transmission over, front to back, side to side, in and out. Everything looks good in it. I don't see any worn synchros that are beyond use. I don't see any gears that need to be replaced or anything of that sort. So I am going to order a seal kit and put it back together. That's going to be a separate video. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up all the hardware, which I'm currently doing, ultrasonic cleaners, making light work of that. I'm going to put all the stuff in a hot tank. I have a hot tank at work, so I kind of a little spoiled. So once all that's done, paint, assembly, put it somewhere nice and safe in the garage, and once I get the differential rebuilt, put the differential in, drive shaft in, transmission in, and then I can get on to engine once bodywork's done. Because both of those are the big ticket expensive items, and I don't want to do both of them at the same time. So, thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.